Welcome, everyone. Today we embark on an exploration of a cornerstone of our legal system, a subject that affects all of us, whether we realize it or not. Contract law. A contract in its most basic form is an agreement. We all make agreements in our daily lives. We agree to meet friends for coffee. We agree to complete a task at work. We agree to purchase groceries from a store. These are all agreements, yes, but are they contracts? To answer this, we must delve deeper into what a contract is in legal terms. Firstly, it's essential to clarify that there isn't a universally agreed-upon definition of a contract in English law. This can be confusing, but do not fret. While there is no singular definition that everyone agrees on, there are several key components that most legal scholars agree should be present for an agreement to be considered a contract. The basic premise of a contract is that it is a legally binding agreement. That is, an agreement enforceable by law. In practical terms, this means that if one party fails to uphold their end of the deal, the other party can seek remedies through the courts. This takes our everyday agreements a step further. To bring this to life, let's use an analogy. Imagine you're at a cafe with a friend. You agree to buy them a coffee. Now, if you don't end up buying that coffee, is it disappointing? Yes. But can your friend take you to court over it? Probably not. This is because our social agreements, while important, do not typically meet the standards required for a contract in the eyes of the law. So what elevates an agreement to the status of a contract? Typically it involves elements like offer and acceptance, consideration, intention to create legal relations, and capacity to contract. We'll be exploring each of these elements in greater depth in our upcoming videos. But why is contract law so important? Well, consider this. Without contract law, commerce as we know it would be impossible. Imagine trying to run a business if there were no guarantees that the agreements you made would be upheld. From buying a coffee to buying a house, we rely on contracts to ensure that our agreements have legal weight. Contracts help to create trust and reliability in our society. They ensure that people and businesses can interact with each other, secure in the knowledge that their agreements will be respected and, if not, legal remedies are available. In a world without contracts, there would be far less security in transactions, a fundamental detriment to both individuals and businesses. From employment contracts that set the terms of our work, to contracts for sale that regulate our purchase of goods and services, the impact of contract law is everywhere. It provides the framework that allows society to function smoothly. Today, we have just scratched the surface of this vast and fascinating subject. In the coming videos, we'll delve deeper into each of these components that make a contract, how they function and why they matter. So stay tuned as we unravel the intricate world of contract law together. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next episode.